know, we're so used to rain. Rain we love rain around here. But that night, you know, you could just feel there was a vengeance coming down.
I go through a lot of floods living here, and I can find comfort in looking at the radar, seeing, oh yeah, it's gonna go away, or the river gauges can tell you, you know, if it's going down a little, you can feel good, you know, it's going down. But the river gauge broke, the electricity went out, I had no contact with anything, and I was just like 3 in the morning. Yeah, it was horrible.
I was central, right in the heart of the storm when it hit. You know, I've never seen water like that in my 44 years I've lived on Kauaʻi, and I've never seen water like that ever.
Our house is high, so the rain was just like pounding into our house, and all of a sudden we heard the loudest noise, like, and the whole mountain came down. We could hear when the mountain came down and literally blocked the river mouth and turn the river back up. So that's where a lot of houses along here, the houses are actually over there. Instead of going downriver, they got pushed upriver.
The water is the highest I've ever seen it. It's about 2 feet above the floor. I went down the river, I went underwater, and everybody saw me go underwater, but I grabbed this post right there. Yeah, we're scared for our life. I thought we were gonna die. I told my girl, a little baby girl, just hold on to my hair, if anything. The house starts moving, just get on my back.
We've definitely had some hard times. Our houses have been some totally ruined, some not on solid foundation. You know, all that water coming through and the bottoms or foundations of a lot of our houses need to be fixed.
There was a lot of damage, and you know, we know of families that some of the young folks in here, you know, some of their family have lost like literally everything. You know?
Yeah, we lost everything in our house. The water was 4 feet deep in my house. So, yeah, we lost everything.
Yeah, I lost all my vehicles, my work truck. Yeah, I lost one vehicle.
Motorbikes, you know, engine things, that sort of stuff, tools.
We lost our cars because we usually park them down here. There's a safe place to park them. At the end of the road is kind of a higher spot. And all my life we parked vehicles there, and they're safe. With this flood, the next morning I came down there and cars were gone.
It's really harsh what had happened to us, where everything was going on, the landslides. We had local people in there working their way out so that we could, you know, attain the road and get back to work and get back to a normal lifestyle.
People lost a lot of stuff, but pretty much everyone has each other. Sad as it is, almost like a funeral, gets the people together in a moment of time when it's not normally there. But the community pulled together above any expectation anyone could have had.
It was just amazing to watch, to see, again, the community organize itself and just not waiting for anybody. Just the food, the supplies were coming in.
Everybody was just on the ground, like, okay, you do that, you know, food's coming in, because we had no water, no electricity, so it was like, you know, survival, get the water in, and then, you know, for everybody to be together like that, I think it is life-changing.
We assessed everything around and made sure everybody was okay. First and foremost was the people getting them out of their houses to get water, to get food, to make sure everybody was okay. So that was like the first day. And then after that, we got 7 machines together, and we went and opened up all of the roads so that they had access clean from their homes.
This community, you know, right after the flood, I mean, the next day, I mean, these young people like Leah and them, they were just like organizing. They set themselves up in community before any state, federal agency even got here. It was 100% community driven.
I'm so proud that all of these guys, the manpower that these young women and men put forth, that's who saved our community and helped us.
This community-led trip to the island of Kauaʻi was very important for us. Now OHA knows how to help our people.
Our hearts and our sincere aloha goes out to our people who have been affected by recent natural disasters, particularly on the island of Kauaʻi regarding the flood. The board's action of approving over $500,000 is just the first sort of step towards providing immediate relief to those who have been affected. Our aloha goes out to Kauaʻi at this time, but OHA in the long term will be assessing the needs.